Flex Cup is a 100% reusable menstrual cup. It can be worn for up to 12 hours and is made with 100% body-safe silicone, which means that it won't disrupt your vaginal pH and it lasts for years. And it's made in California. Flex Cup sits in your vaginal canal and collects period blood instead of absorbs it the way that a tampon does. It's designed to be the easiest cup in the world to remove because of the patented pull tab. You gently pull down on it when you're ready to remove, it breaks its own seal, and it comes out in one easy motion. Flex Cup comes in 2 sizes and comes with a perfect fit guarantee. Plus, it's the only cup that comes with an adjustable stem, so it fits every body. Here's how to insert a cup. You're going to start with clean hands and get in a comfortable position, either sitting, squatting, or with the leg up in the shower. Now you're going to fold the cup. Our personal fave is the punch down, but here's how you can do each of them. The punch down, you're going to take the rim and push it down toward the base and squeeze and hold it there. For the C fold, you're going to fold the cup in half lengthwise and the rim makes a C. For the 7 fold, you're going to squeeze the cup flat and fold one side down so it looks like a 7. Now you're going to insert the folded cup in your vagina towards your tailbone. Now that the cup is in your vaginal canal, you can reposition it to your preference. You'll know it's in right when the pull tab isn't hanging out of you, but you can still reach it. Run your finger along the edge of your vaginal wall and the cup to make sure that it's fully open. That's it! Now you don't have to worry about it for 12 hours. When you're ready to remove it, you're going to use a clean hand to gently pull the pull tab. It'll break the seal and come right out. Then dump it out and then use a mild soap or Flex foaming cleanser to give it a good wash, and then you're good to go. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Our Flexperts are standing by, ready for your call or text.